So the 3-course dinner service for international students for the program consists to put them in a real world as it is in a restaurant. It is not a fixed menu, but the guests take the order when they arrive. So the students don't know as it is as it will be in a real restaurant.
My name is Ben and I'm from Malaysia and I'm currently doing the cuisine course in the Cordon Bleu Malaysia. So we've got 4 days in a week. The first 2 days, Mondays and Tuesdays, we usually do mise en place, and that's basically just preparing for the service, cutting, gathering ingredients, doing minor things in the kitchen. And then day 3 and 4, which is Wednesday and Thursday, is where we do service. That's where the actual cooking begins, and of course service at night.
My name is Wimawi Putra. I'm from Indonesia and I'm here in Cordon Bleu Malaysia taking the cuisine diploma. It's very different because we need to learn on the spot about everything, about the recipe, about the sauces, about the ingredients. At some point we don't know, we never really deal with the ingredients. Also the equipment.
My name is Najla. I'm from Indonesia and my course is cuisine. This experience is more detailed on only one dish in each person. So the dish is probably more perfect than we usually are. And also the amount is bigger. So we have to prepare more and sometimes get a bit complicated. We learn from chef, we ask for his opinion, and also we learn from our past mistake and also ask our friends who have done it before, so we actually can improve it.
Usually we are chef instructor, but during this time we'll be acting like a chef, calling an order, rejecting a plate. I don't want it. No, it's not nice. No, you burn it, you redo. So we put them really in a real context, as it will be, as it must be in industry. If you want to be the best, learn with the best. I do believe the Cordon Bleu got a fantastic, serious team over, I will say, 2-century experience combined between cuisine, pastry and bakery with all the team of the chef instructor. The premises, the equipment, the program, adapt it, review yearly base on what is the trend on the market. So we really work on that. So please come to join us.